Round 1, Sunday morning. Buddy Love. Buddy Love got put in the small dog play area. And he's not happy. He's a big boy.
Who wants to go?
Look at him in the middle.
Who wants to fight?
He said, bring it on. I like my mama.
I'm the ringleader.
Buddy running the room.
Oh, he thinks he's running
Oh,
the room.
Buddy.
Oh, he thinks he's running the show.
Buddy's got somebody trying to hump him. He doesn't like that. He's the only humper around. Oh, Buddy.